AC motor. Understand the fundamental principles and the historical context of AC motor and generators. Understand the construction and operational principles of AC motors and generators. An AC motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy using alternating current. It works based on magnetic field that create motion. Slide the motor. Evaluate the efficiency and energy conversion in process in electrical machines. Identifying methods to enhance performance. Efficiency and energy conversion. This explains how electrical machines, like motors and generators, convert energy. Efficiency means how much input energy into turn into useful output. Improving efficiency reduces energy loss and makes machines work better. Types and characteristics of AC motors and generator. Types and characteristics of AC motor and generators. AC motors and generators come in different types, each with unique features. These types vary in speed, power, and usage depending on where and how they are used, like in homes, factories, or appliances.